Nakarating din, pare. Balik back. Putang ina niya.
Tagal ko na kasi si Rose nag-trabaho.
Late?
Kasi meron naman. Bakit ayaw mo siya pakainin?
Si Master Alan. Putang ina niya, no? Binabayaran ng professional. Kain na, kain na.
Okay.
Ito namin, walang pa.
Nakaulang kami doon, ano?
Ate si Ayan, pinsan ni Mona and... Ayan si boss pala. Bila ka sumulpot ha, parang ano. There's Jakey! Alright, Jakey! Jakey! Look at Jakey, so big!
How did you grow so tall?
Oh, he's getting taller too.
Pwede ba yun?
Yes, they're here.
I know.
Today!
I know.
Ito ang aming gifts. Ito yung gifts na. That's alright. Alright, that's for the aunts.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Alright, please open it. Gusto mo yan? Alright.
Wow! May gift card!
Friendship amongst the red.
Yeah. Alright. Baka large ba yan? Alright.
Ano to? Hindi na tayo pupunta sa fountain.
Pupunta ba tayo dyan yung free?
Talong yun! Talong part! Ay, you hurt my eyes? Ano yan? Ba't meron yan?
Targaryen to ah!
Hindi, si Storm. Yes!
Ano abangan namin sa Pasko?
Yan na yan. Merry Christmas.
Christmas in September nga eh.
Sa'yo.
Ayos pare ah!
Gitara tsaka tools. Ito, mic tsaka cellphone. Kasi sabi lagi ka na sa cellphone sa trabaho eh.
Oo, totoo yan.
Totoo yan, di ba? Totoo yan. Si Speed yan. Yan, si Speed. Yes. That's right.
Ano hawak mo? Ako?
Sa kanya.
Parang pinag-combine kaming dalawa. Ikaw yun.
Master yan, ha? Master. Hindi lang just regular Alan. Master yan. Master yan.
Akin, Dorin. Dorin.
Ikaw, alak.
Wine and rose.
Ako roaring lang!
Roaring lang nakalagay. Walang ong. Di ba? Tanggal. Di ba yan? Kamukha mo ba yan? Sabi ni pinsan mo, sabi lagi ka naka-short eh. Ayan. Tama? Sakto-sakto.
Oo, naka-short ako ngayon.
Tapos si boss naman, gitara, tsaka ito kasi IT raw siya. IT, sa computer.
Superman.
Hindi siya napapauli.
Superman.
Sino ang papasabi?
That's is Superman. Ayan, okay everybody. Okay, wait. I'm gonna...
Wala ko kantahan eh.
Rolling bass! Kailangan ng bass!
Bass, madali lang ba? B flat minor 18-4. R2 flat. Alright, here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow mga... Blow mga meron. Yun! Bala na kayo.
Ano ang okasyon?
Birthday ni Superman.
Superman!
Birthday ni Superman. Si Wonder Woman.
Ang dami rin nila.
Ang dami rin nila eh.
Kala mo kayo lang madami ha. Milagro mo lang lumalabas.
Sinusunod ka pare.
Gusto mo ikaw na mag-isa ka? Dati ikaw nag-ibaro, di ba? Oo, pero ikaw na.
Tito, thank you.
Kita mo ba tayo?
Saturday. Bye. Bye. Bye, Tito.
Bye-bye.
Ingat sa ano.
Ayun.
Bye, Tito. Bye, Tito. Bye, Tito Joy. Thank you.
Matanda na, no?
Ingat ka na.
Bye.
Sabihin mo ka na oras. Ay,
Hinakupatid mo.
Lake Stevens with the gang. Jake, John, Rorin, Alan. To his front is Tetel. Over there is Mona, Rose, Angie, and Wayne. And of course, me. Hello. Going to the lake. All right.
All right, now we're back in Lake Stevens, and now we got new friends with me. New friends, look at that, more ducks.
More ducks.
All right, there's nobody here, it's just us.
Oh, we bought the lake.
Because it's cold. Nobody's stupid enough to be out here, but we are.
No, huwag ganun.
Yes.
We bought the lake.
We bought the lake. Okay, all right, we're going. All right, we're going. All right, sige. Oh, teka, hirap yata i-control. Hindi, pwede lumampas dyan. Ang bawal doon yung mga magsiswimming. Tatakot ako.
Ano ba tayo? Dito ka?
Julia kasi parang it was so easy for her.
Hindi ko nga makontrol, baka mag-gumanon eh. Mag-flip over. Can you say me?
Sabi ni Tarek,
Kung kami ano kasi walang best.
dito sa red lang na bilog. Alright. Yan! Punta kayo doon. Ano mo?
Madali yan ano. Ange, madali yan.
Ganun dalawa dito eh.
Oo nga. Kasi tumuhan?
Yeah.
Oo daw. Swimmer ka rin ba, Mon?
Marunong, pero hindi ako marunong sumagip.
Muna, sweet.
Ang lakas na magsabi, pero ikaw, Rose. Ay, si Teta lang. Galing nyo na.
Welcome back.
Look at my honey.
Okay lang yan.
Honey, you okay?
O, JT ka pa eh.
Ano, ready na kabayo? Look at this guy. Ooh.
Si boss kaya.
Ha?
Katana ako.
Ha?
Katana.
Diyan ka na. Bye-bye.
Ano? Pag sanay ka na. Oh.
Oh, kanina pa.
Wala, OMG.
Mamahalin yan.
Ayoko nang gano'n.
In a row na.
Bago ko pa umabot doon, mag-turn ka na.
Oh, turn ka. Ano na, biglang ano yan eh, 150 feet.
Big drop.
Biglang ano agad eh.
Umiilaw na fish na dyan eh.
Oh.
Angel fish mo na lang dyan.
Hotel, tingin ka naman dito. Pucha. Nice. Pucha.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, dito naman. 1, 2, 3. Alright, no hands.
Tumayo ako sa...
Isa pa. Yun. Oh, malayo ka.
Baka mamaya hindi ka makabalik.
Oh,
From
hey.
standing to sitting down, oh, di ba?
Oh, meron ako. Oh, ha.
Okay.
Oy, kabayo.
Sabi ni Angie, dapat yung isang feet mo forward.
Yun, no? GoPro, stop.
Hindi ka na sa mga ganun.
Ay, alam niyo ba pag ako nagpa-practice ng gitara, okay na keyboards dati.
Papakuin ng duck, ano, boss, oh, you know. Race kayo, race.
Jamming, jamming.
Jamming kayo ni, ano, ayun na, ito yung dalawa. Oh. Hihiramin, bili! Bibili na. Oh.
Mga ano kayo eh.
Oh.
Ayan na. Oh, ang galing talaga ni Rorin. Oh,
Athletic?
pare sa'yo ka nga. Oy, Diyos ko. Oy.
Ayaw mabasa!
Ayan.
Huwag kang gano'n. Kaya ko yun ha, talaga. Wakas ka na.
Siguro.
Nakatayo. Bes. Oh.
Ang Vietnamese chocolate.
Ito, bubble head.
Huli ka, pare.
Ano sasabi sa bear?
Ay, sino nagkatrabaho doon?
Si Mr. Ako naka-video pala. Ang galing. Naka-video pala. Na-angie ako.
Ano meron?
Ayan, oh.
May madapay ako. Minsan nga eh. Airway dad.
You know, you find out the closest one.
Sige pa, picture kayo dyan. O, doon kayo. Ay, after niya. Nandito kami sa Batcave. Ayan. Sa Bobby. Ay.
Nice. He's right there.
Nayla. Ayun. There's Nayla.
So fast.
Nayla.
Oh, yun pala yun.
Talaga matanda na eh.
Pink and blue.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever so clearly. I might have been in love before, but never felt this strong. Dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to leave without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know how much I love you. The world may change, that my life, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. I love you so easy. Our love will never wait for us. Like a guiding star, I'll be there for you. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Come on. You already know now how much I love you. You can be sure of. I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of. I never ask for more than your Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing